Welcome to the Monthly Budget Spreadsheet tutorial. This template includes two tabs. One tab is for entering all your transactions' expenses, and the other tab is a calendar for reminders about your bills, debts, and subscriptions. I'll explain how to use this template for personal budget planning. First, select the current month and year. Next, choose your currency. The currency list is editable. To do this, click the Edit button and add your preferred currency. Now, let's move on to income. Fill in the table with the expected amount. There will be another table for actual dates and amounts, which I will show you soon. These columns contain formulas and are fully automated. Repeat the same steps for the other tables: bills, expenses, savings and investments, debts, and subscriptions. Enter the names and planned budget amounts. Now let's move on to the main table, the Transactions List table. Here you enter all actual expenses and income, as well as payment and due dates. I'll show you how. Double-click on a cell to select the date when you received your first salary. Category: Incomes. Subcategory: choose the specific type of income. Enter the amount. Notice that the due column is automatically highlighted. This means it is not needed for incomes. In the Incomes, Expenses, and Savings and Investments tables, we don't have a due date column. Instead, we just have date, or nothing at all. For bills, debts, and subscriptions, we will have a due date. Let's see how this works. Add an internet bill. Enter the amount. Specify the due date. The payment date will be entered only on the day of payment. Once you enter the payment date, all calculation formulas will automatically update. Add an expense. The due column will be highlighted again, so leave it as is. Once you enter the payment date, all tables will automatically update. The spending history table is fully automated. It shows daily transactions for the selected month and year. When you change the month, everything updates automatically. The template works with any year and month. For visual convenience, you can use checkboxes to mark money that has been spent or received. There's also a rollover function. If you have leftover money from the previous month, you can include it in the new month by entering the remaining amount. This amount will be included in the overall table once you check the checkbox. For example, if the leftover amount for May is $1,076, enter this amount in rollover. Change to the new month, check the checkbox, and the amount is added to the table. Bills, debts, and subscriptions are automatically moved to the Calendar tab once you specify the due date. Select the month and year to find the added bill. The calendar serves as a reminder so you don't miss any payments. After entering a date in the Payday table, the calendar will automatically show the payday. The Category Overview table shows the total number for each category for the selected month and year. You can also choose a Sunday or Monday start for the week. If you make a duplicate of the Monthly Budget tab, the calendar won't recognize the new tab, but the tab itself will still work perfectly. Duplicating the calendar will link it to the Monthly Budget tab. The duplicate will serve as a multiple view option. Plan Concept. Store thanks you for your purchase on Etsy.